Hi, I am Devika. Welcome to my channel Learning with Devika. This is the day one of learning programming. C is a programming language. It is used to build software and application. It is one of the most important language for beginners. This is the hello world structure. Acts include stdio.h, int main, printf. Hello world program key points. Hash include stdio.h. This is the header file which includes input output libraries. Int main is a starting point. In curly braces used to write the code inside it. Printf is the function used to print the output. Return 0 finishes the program successfully. If you are not having VS Code, you can code with online GDB. Just search it in online. You can use in mobile as well as in laptop. Just click this and you can select language C. Yes, then just in run button you can run the program. You will get print hello world. Yeah, you got the hello world. Yeah, this is VS Code. We will create a new file that is day one hello program. You can give whatever name you want. We should always include end with .c file. We can include angle brackets, standard, input, output, and header file, angle bracket rows, king, teacher, main function, and parentheses. Then open the curly braces and rewrite the function here. Print yes and parentheses with double quotes. We can write whatever we can want. Shall we write hello world end with semicolon then return 0 to end the program. We can run this. We get the hello world. Yeah, you can write whatever you think. Like A1 completed. You can write like this. Anything is fine. One is completed. You can see here. A1 is completed. Thank you for watching. Follow for daily coding journey.